In this video, we will be going over an 11 plus question, which shows the relationship between the lengths of arcs and the angles that represent these arcs. So, our question: the circumference of the circle is 420 millimeters. Find the length of the arcs of sector Y and sector Z. So, let's approach this from sector Z first. So we know that the angle around a point add up to 360 degrees. And this can also be used to represent the different sections of the circumference of our circle. So we have the degrees for sector Z, which is 60, and the fraction that 60 is out of 360 can be expressed as 60 over 360. And if we simplify it, so we divide the top and the bottom. So we cancel out the tens, so we get 6 over 36. And then we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. So we get 1 over 6. And so this is the fraction that 60 is out of the total 360 degrees possible. Now we have our fraction 1 over 6. We can now multiply this with our circumference. So, as I've already said, that each degree can be associated with a certain length of the circumference. And the 60 degrees here for sector Z represents 1/6 of the circumference. So we're going to multiply 1/6 by our circumference, which is 420 millimeters. Now what we're going to do is we're going to divide 420 by 6. So 6 times 7 is 42. This gives us 0. And since there's a 0 remaining, we take that up to our numerator. We get 70. So 1 over 6 times 420 is equal to 70 millimeters. And so this is the length of the arc for sector Z. Now, let's look at sector Y. So, for sector Y, we're going to approach it in the same way. Sector Y has an angle of 36 degrees, and we're also going to put that in a fraction of 360. So 36 over 360, and we're going to simplify. So we're going to divide the top and the bottom by 36. So that's 1, and that's 10. So we're left with the fraction 1 over 10 as the simplified form. Now, similarly to sector Z, we're going to multiply 1 over 10 to 420, and this is just dividing 420 by 10. So this gives us 42 millimeters. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.